Today we'll show how to buy shares of Cellyan Biotechnology Co Ltd, a biotechnology company focused on therapeutic research and development. Cellyan trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HKPD. This demonstration is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy HKPD, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker HKPD to find Cellyan Biotechnology Co Ltd. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing for the correct company. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the ticker HKPD and the NASDAQ tag to confirm it's the right stock. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be set as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to visit the platform.